Chavan. My father name is Raju Chavan. I am studying in UKG. My school name is Karnataka Public School, Yappalavindi. Today I am going to speak on Independence Day. Independence Day is the most important day in the history of India. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year with great joy. India became independent on 15th August 1947. On this day, Prime Minister hoisted the national flag on 24th in Delhi. The Indian Army
Navy, Air Force, comprise
the parade at Red Fort.
I love my
country and I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.